Hey, it's Art. Today I just want to do a quick review of this hydroponic kit that we got from Nature Tech. It's called Wally. We have another one here that we're currently not using. I think it's called the Tower. Both of these were inside our house over the winter, and then about a month ago I took it out, put it in the backyard because now we have sunshine. So now it's like middle of July, and I think I set it up sometime in June, maybe the first half of June. So I want to show you what we're getting. So we have here banana peppers. So these are right now like a few inches, so they're probably gonna be at least double once they're fully mature. There's still flowering happening here at the top, and you see we have more over here. It's pretty neat how you have vegetables growing at about 7-8 feet here height. See, we have a tree over here. So definitely where there is sun, we get more more fruits and vegetables coming out. But some areas, like because of the position of where we put it, let's say here at the bottom, there's less sun, there's more shade throughout the day, so you see the fruits are actually taking longer to grow. But see what I'll show you what we have. Isn't it fascinating? We have some black kale growing right here, probably like 8-9 feet in the air. We already used it, as you can see. These were all like leaves, so this is like it's getting another life. This one as well. Need to prune it a little bit. This one was actually complete, like it was this tall, and then I cut it after the winter, planted it again, and these are all new leaves that came out now here over the last month or so, 4 or 5 weeks probably. So I just need to prune some of those that are not growing, but this is black kale. We also have regular kale here as well. This one also, you see, we already used it a lot of times, but it keeps growing, right? That's one of the cool things about kale. We also have lettuce, which we already cut many times. These ones we cut, I think, last week, so they're still, now they need to start again. This one already started, you see. So we cut this a few times, and now a new one's starting here, a new branch. So pretty neat. We also have a big, I think these are Roma tomatoes, the longer ones. They're still small, but getting there, and it's a big plant, so I need to create support for it. I didn't do support for it yet, but the peppers, they're also heavy. See, we have bell peppers, so I had to put some ties over here. Otherwise, you see, this is what it looks like. As soon as it becomes heavy, see, we have some fruits here, and the branch now is a couple of feet tall, and it's heavy, so then it starts like leaning, so I need to just tie it up like this, keep it in place. But let me show you the roots. It's pretty neat. See, nice and clean. There's obviously no soil, it's all flowing water inside with some fertilizer. What else do we have? We have some herbs. This is thyme over here. This is another herb right here. Yeah, overall pretty impressed how this works. So over the winter we also got the lights that go with this system, and essentially, let me zoom out a little bit. This one has like 4, you see it has 4 floors, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each floor you can attach a grow light to it, and one actually goes at the top. It was in my basement, where there's no natural light at all, no sunlight. So over the winter, I'll share a picture how it looked like. We had a lot of herbs over the winter, and it was full green. So, and it also created a lot of light in the basement. We didn't use regular light. We just left, this was giving basically light for the whole room. So I'll share some pictures afterwards. But now it's summer, so we took it out, and these are like our I think second or third time we already start collecting from it. This one is off right now, it just has some, yeah, I need to clean it up. These are not doing that well. I think overall between those two, I like this one more, even though it's larger, it occupies more space. I just think this is easier for me, easier to, you know, to work with the plants. This one is also nice, the tower, but the only thing, it has a little different way of working. Basically, the plants go into these. I don't remember what they're called. They're pebbles. So basically, the plants grow here. So for me, it was maybe, I don't know, my hands are large. It was hard for me to like control the roots properly. The bottom part uses similar to this one, just a little bit smaller. So essentially, like that, right? And then there's a string that goes and sucks the water. So this was actually easy to use, but this approach for me was harder. That's why I love the Wally more, but it does take more space. So if you have kind of like less space, or you want it to be compact, this system is better. If you have more space, especially like against the wall, I recommend this one. It also gives more yield because it has more space. So yeah, our family is enjoying it. Thank you.